We're at Jenny Lake at the trailhead for Hidden Falls and Inspiration Point. And we lucked out, man. We got this spot right over here. Can't get any closer to the trailhead. We are here.
And we're parked right here.
And we're parked right there.
We just took a mile off our hike.
Yeah, no kidding. So we could take a shuttle across the lake. It's $18 per person. However, we opted to do the old school version, take the hike. It's not that long, 5.5 miles round trip, I think. I think it'll be much more rewarding to take the trail versus the boat. Looks a little crowded. And check out these flowers. We're here in the beginning of June, and it is a gorgeous day. About 75 degrees, nice breeze. It is just beautiful. Looks like we're getting close to the falls. There's a few people here checking out the falls. What's that?
Go higher so you can get out the people.
Yeah.
Wow, that's worth the hike.
I tell you what, feel that cool air coming off of there.
God.
That feels great.
Amazing.
Yeah, it is. Really great angle of the mist coming off the falls right up there. And now we're making our way up to Inspiration Point. Still gotta go further up. Oh wow.
Oh, look at that. He's not scared at all.
This is the third one that's been playing around here.
Wow, that's great.
Look at little hands.
He came up and was sniffing the water bottle.
Oh, really? That close? Looking for a handout.
Yep.
That is cute, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, look at this granite. That is amazing. It's a cool trail, huh?
Yeah. Got my heartbeat going.
Get your cardio going. All right, don't fall.
Oh, that was my thing coming up. I'm like, oh.
Wow, look at the river down there.
Oh, yeah. There's the falls.
Yeah.
Oh, here.
This is it, Inspiration Point. Are you inspired? You are?
Look at that stream and the falls.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah. Is that a camera?
I don't think you.
Wow, look at that view. I think the views are better on the way back down.
Yeah.
course, they weren't bad on the way up.
Yeah, they weren't terrible. They were horrible.
How's the hike?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Awesome, yeah.
Nice. We're at the Death Canyon Trailhead. We're right here. Gonna head back this 1.7 mile trail to Phelps Lake, glacial ice carved Death Canyon, ending 15,000 years ago. Ice formed Phelps Lake, leaving a prominent moraine or rocky ridge of glacial debris as it melted back. Here's a sign for a bear attack. Are you prepared to avoid one? If the bear attacks during a surprise encounter, play dead. If the bear persistently stalks you, then attacks, fight back. Yikes. How you doing?
Good, you?
Good. Guys see any bears back there?
Yeah, there's one.
Oh, was there?
Little black bear.
Cool. Black bear. Wow. As long as it's not a grizzly. More beautiful streams and beautiful trees. Wow. Wasn't sure what to expect when we came up here to the Grand Teton Mountains. I don't think I expected this. Here we go, we got an overlook coming up here. Oh, look at that. There's the marmot they were talking about. Did you see him sneak back behind the rock?
I missed him.
He was big. I think it was a marmot that crawled into the hole back there. Oh, I see him. I just hope it's not a wolverine. Here he comes. He's coming out. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? You jumping? Oh man. We're in Jackson, Wyoming, and I'm gonna just do a little walk through the downtown area here. Check it out. We've driven through this area quite a few different times, but never actually stopped to check things out. It's a Sunday evening. It's about 80 degrees. Oh yeah, look at the hillside up there with, it's most likely skiing up there, it looks like. You can kind of see where the chairlifts go up. Really pretty buildings. Nice hotel, the Wart Hotel. Look from the other side. You get the bar and restaurant in there. There's the $1 Million Cowboy Bar. We're going to go check that out. But first, the city park.
No, I'll take hers because then I'm going to guilt her. I'll take
These are famous arches. photobomb that lady.
Lost and gone forever. Only come save me from this land.
Pretty cool. There's my buddy Ben. Alright, we're back on the other side of the street here now. And this is the city of Jackson. A lot of people believe it's named Jackson Hole. It's actually the area that's named Jackson Hole. It's a 55-mile long area by anywhere from 6 to 13 miles wide. And it was named for a famed trapper from the area from the 1800s, early 1800s, named Davy Jackson. And he had spent the winter here, one winter, 1829. And after that, his buddies, his other fellow trappers, named this area Jackson Hole. And then so the city itself is named Jackson, Wyoming. How you doing? Pretty good. Can I just get a seat at the bar, or is it full?
Yeah, it's open season, help yourself.
What's up, girl? Shots?
Can I do 2 shots of Jack Daniels with backs?
Alright guys, well, the cowboy bar was a little interesting with the saddles that they had for stools. Didn't really feel very comfortable sitting on those for some reason. I don't know. Anyway, man, there was some video that I had taken in there that didn't, the camera wasn't on for some reason. So missed out on some of the video there. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the tour of Jackson here. Cool little town. And yeah, so we'll see you in Yellowstone.